Hi everyone, this is Saucy the Towboat Chef. Well, this is a weigh-in day. I also had done a recipe and videotaped it. Video record, sorry. Anyways, unfortunately, I guess when I removed the card from my phone to put in my camera, it didn't record on it. Well, put it this way, it did, but it corrupted it. Did not know it till I took it out of the camera and put it back in my phone because I forgot to hit the eject button. Every bit of that was unfortunately lost. But I just found it out as I'm about to edit this video. I'm trying to get it out today on Monday. But of course, when you know it, I don't have it. But I do have another thing I'm going to show you. It won't be today because I haven't done it yet. I will probably have it out by Thursday or Friday. It has to do with a dessert that I can eat. Hint, hint. Alright. So let's continue on. I'm going to do a voiceover. I'm going to show you some pictures. I'm proud of myself of how I look. The weigh-in got down a little bit, but every pound counts, right? Every little ounce counts, right? Alright, well let's continue on and we'll go from there. Alright, be right back. As you can see, yep, this is me at work. Yes, those are the kettle drums on the right-hand side. But look it, I'm in skinny jeans. Yay! But here's what's coming up, so hold on. Look at all those inches I have lost. Yay! Okay, here we go for the official weigh-in. $196.8. Not much this week, but at least I'm still losing. Alright, be right back. Well, as you can see, I lost just a little less than a pound, but you know what? Every ounce counts, right? What can I say? I think I'm retaining water, unfortunately, because I can tell by my feet and my ankles, mostly between my ankles and my knees, they are swollen, bigger than normal. It's because I've been putting in between 10 and 12 hours a day. And they're calling me on my time off. So I'm not really getting much rest. And I'm standing there. The spinners in our kettles unfortunately broke, so now anything that has continuous stirring, guess what? I'm with a big whisk. So I'm doing this. I'm getting a lot of exercise above here, but I'm standing in one spot for an hour, hour and a half, continuously stirring. Because of that, I swell up. I retain water. And where does water go? When you're standing up, gravity hits. There you go. What can I say? That's part of old age. I think I'm young. I believe in my heart I'm young. My body yells at me and says, "Here, hold my beer and let me show you how old you really are." And then comes the aches and pains. So, with that said, got another week coming. And I do have a special dessert, like I said. I'm going to be making up and show you what I eat now, and maybe that could be the problem too. No, because I only had it once, and I only had about a half a cup, so it shouldn't have kept weight on me. No, not at all. Alright, but I do want to thank every one of you for your support while I'm doing this weight loss. I'm very proud of myself for as long as I've gotten. I haven't stayed under 200 pounds got it forever, and I'm enjoying it. And as you can see by the pictures, oh my God, look at the inch difference. Also, look how good I look in those skinny jeans. I'm proud of myself. Now, I'm going to hit my goal. I know I am, and I don't let anything deter me from it. So again, thank you all for your support in this, and also help keeping me accountable with these videos. All right, you all have a wonderful day. If you're new to this channel, click on subscribe. If you'd like to follow along with my weight loss, or even see any of my previous videos of any of my recipes, go back even when I'm out on the towboat. Take a tour of the towboats I've been on. Check them all out. Click on that subscribe button. Click on that notification button. Leave a thumbs up. And leave me a comment. Introduce yourself. I'd like to hear from you. All right. You all have a great and wonderful day. Bye-bye.